Hi guys, welcome to Naresh Technologies. This is Subbaraju. In this video session, we'll try to observe on UNIX communication commands. What is the meaning of communication? It is a kind of media to interact over a network with a single user or multiple users. In UNIX operating system, communications are classified into two types. Number one, online communications. Second one, offline communications. Online communications popularly known as two-way communications. Offline communications popularly known as one-way communications. Communication commands we are using online separately, offline separately. First, observe two-way communication commands. First command is write. By using write command, we can send messages to one or more users. But there is a condition. When you are doing online communications, condition is both the users should be logged in. Here both means maybe one or maybe more. Sender as well as receiver, both the users should be logged in. It is a perfect online communications. These online communication purpose we are using write command. Write is a command to deliver the message, both means from sender to receiver. We'll see one example on write. Write, I am going to send a message to Ravi and hit the return key. Once you hit the return key, the command execution started and it is ready the prompt, and I typed immediately hello. Once you hit the return key, it is delivering to the Ravi user. Right? It is a system. In this system, Ravi user available. So, your user is, for example, Raju. Raju delivering a message to Ravi. Now, here another system available. In this system, Ravi available. Now, this message whenever you are hitting, it is delivering to Ravi. Then again Ravi is delivering a message to Raju. Then he is writing, write Raju. Then he said, hi. Again it is delivering to here. Means once you hit the return key, the command executed successfully, the concerned terminal it is going to be, or concerned user. If user duplicated, means in my network, in my intranet, Ravi, 2 members available or 3 members available or 4 members available. That time you need to mention the concerned terminal type number also. So I am sending to Ravi who is accessing terminal 5. So when users are duplicated, you must say the number of the terminal. So this is the way we are delivering messages from one to one or one to many, any number of users. Right, for example, here Raju is a little busy. Take a scenario, Raju is busy. That time Raju not ready to allow any message from any other users. That time I am using, there is another command that is called MESG, message. This command speciality, it is allowing or disallowing messages to particular user. Here Y is nothing but allowing, N is not allowing, Y represents 1, N represents 0. So these binary values representing these alphabets. Now for example, MESG level, simple I am going to say here, means Raju is little busy. Raju said MESG MESG and Raju made simply N and deliver the means hit the return key. Once Raju hit the return key and it is giving one message, write a message turned off. Means no users unable to interact with Raju terminal and Raju. For example, now from here Ravi here available and Ravi is going to be, for example, communicate with him. Now he is going to type, again he said, and hi. Whenever he is typing hi, it is going the request to the terminal and it is giving immediately MESG N available permission off, means right, it is not allowing any message. Now it is giving immediately here, sorry, message unable to delivered, user busy. So that message indicating to this user, okay Raju, right now busy, we are unable to communicate. If again whenever Raju free, then he is entering MESGY and press enter, then it is allowing again messages from other users. So by using MESG command, we can allow or disallow messages between one or many users. These are the best example of online communications. There is another command available, that is wall, WALL, wall command. Using this command, we can send a message to multiple users at a time. Imagine, for example, I want to wish who are logged in currently to all the people, just I want to say good morning to you all. Just wall space double quotation, say whatever the message you want to deliver. Good morning to you all. Good morning to you all. So whenever you say that, double quotation, single quotation, no formality is required. Just deliver the return key. Immediately it is giving, sending broadcast message from so and so user and delivering to all users, this currently logged in users. Delivering to all users means currently logged in users. Good morning to you all from so and so user, whatever. For example, Raju @localhost.local domain, it is giving address. So bulk messages you want to send, or you want to send at a time to all users, you are using wall command. So finally, online communications are popularly known as two-way communications. Means in this kind of media, both the users should be logged in. Here both meaning is receiver as well as sender. Both the users should be logged in. And here mainly three commands we are using in the UNIX. Number one, write command to send messages to other users as well as to receive. And another command is MESG, is nothing but message. Third command is wall. These three commands we are using in online communications. Offline communications, as I said, these are popularly known as one-way communications. Offline communications best example is mail command. In this kind of media, any one user should be logged in. Means sender should be logged in. Receiver may or may not. It is not mandatory. So for that purpose, we are using mail command. So mail is a command which is sending as well as receiving the mails. Both purpose we are using mail command. In Unix operating system, mail command having some sending options as well as receiving options. So what are the sending options available? Mail sending options. What are the receiving options available? First of all, what is mail system? Electronic mail system is popularly known as email system. In local environment we can perform, in global environment we can perform. There are several webmails also we are calling. Webmails means, for example, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, AOL, American Online. Like this, different webmails available. POP3, Post Office Protocol 3, version 3 we are calling. So these are mainly working based on SMTP and MIME, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is taking care of delivering mails. MIME, Multi-Purpose Internet Mail Extensions. It is taking care of delivering multiple formats of data. Now, mail concept, before we need to understand, first webmail system developed by an Indian, Sabir Bhatia. First popular webmail is called hotmail.com. Father of Hotmail is Sabir Bhatia, an Indian. Now, come to Unix operating system mail command. Just that is a general information I provided. Sending options available, receiving options available. For example, here, what are the sending options available? What are the receiving options available? We'll try to see one by one. For example, I want to send a mail to a particular user. I am sending a mail to Naresh Technologies user. So whenever you are sending that user, you can type. By default here, the complete name you want to enter @localhost.local domain. This is complete mail ID. Because Unix operating system I am running on localhost, that local domain. So it is providing completely. How you are not entering @gmail.com in Gmail login time? In Yahoo Mail login time, you are not entering again @yahoo.com. Same like that, here no need to enter @localhost local domain like that. If you enter also, nothing happens. Delivered means hit the return key and it is giving first immediately subject. Write whatever the subject you required. Subject I am writing demo mail. After hit the return key, it is allowing you to type whatever the data you are going to type. Type and hit the Control plus D. Control plus D, exit. And immediately it is giving CC, carbon copy. The same, whatever the data, whatever the mail is there, you want to deliver to any other user, you can provide as a CC. For example, I want to deliver to root, that's all. Again, no need to write @localhost.local domain. I said already, default that one available. If you want to see that, you can type host name -d, host name -I, like this command if you type, and you will get the information. And after completed, you can say Control D. Otherwise, you can send BCC also, blind carbon copy. What is the meaning of blind carbon copy? I want to send a mail to my friend. At the same time, I want to send the same mail to another friend. So it will take one live example. Not friend exactly, one live example we can see. For example, I want to send a mail to my lead as well as my manager. My lead address I am giving as, for example, 2 or CC. My manager example I am giving BCC. Why means this mail confidential, I should not deliver to anybody except lead and manager. But I want to make sure myself safe side, I am giving to manager also for future reference purpose, without saying any in future my lead, sorry your mail not received. Because BCC mail ID not visible to any other users. Whereas CC easily visible to other users. In CC, if you are writing mail ID, we can view, other can view. Other means what you are sending the mail ID, mail, that means of this mail. But BCC always blind. It never shows to any other user. Blind carbon copy. Generally in the companies we are using confidential information means we are like that using. So whatever the mail we are giving to our lead, again same copy we are sending to manager. But we send to manager that news, maybe lead don't know because we are giving BCC, blind carbon copy. Then subject as usual. Generally subject already we wrote here, doesn't require, and remaining. Completed as usual prompt. Control D whenever you are again hitting control prompt, it is showing as usual. So one mail I sent to Naresh Technologies @localhost.local domain. Same copy I sent to root. And BCC also is explained very clearly here. Right. Now I want to view this mail means, for example, in my system. Whenever this mail you are sending, that time this person is working on the UNIX system busily, it won't give any kind of message. Is in mute. Once user completed that work, if he hit the return key, immediately shows you have a new mail in so and so path, where spool mail so and so user area. Then again you want to see that and just you can type mail. This is mail sending command. Mail user or usernames, space only, not comma. User 1 space, user 2 space, user 3, user number of users you can send. Here mail, no user. So this is mail to view, just mail enter. This is mail receiving command. This is mail sending command. Once you hit the return key, we need to observe another secret here. Here one inbox available. Of course, in Gmail, in Yahoo Mail, in other areas also, inbox available. But here little different is, here inbox is classified into two types. Number one, primary inbox. Second one, secondary inbox. Primary inbox contains all new mails and unread mails. Secondary inbox contains all read mails. Means whatever the mails already you read, means already you read, it is coming to secondary inbox. Now once you hit the mail and enter, it is directly going to by default primary inbox. Then it is showing 1 so and so sender, so and so receiver, 2 so and so sender. So like this it is giving complete information like this. And after ending it is giving one prompt also. This is we are calling ampersand. It is popularly known as mail prompt. In front of this mail prompt we can type several commands. What are the commands we can able to type here? For example, ampersand plus I said. Plus means to view next mail. Ampersand minus I said to view previous file. Ampersand for example 5 I said. 5 means display fifth mail from the inbox. I said ampersand D, that's all. Only D. D means delete. By default it is deleting currently opened message. What message currently opened? Fifth one, that will be deleted. No, I want to delete particular message. D 7. So seventh message will be deleted from your inbox. For example, I am saying D 1 to 5. It is deleting all messages between 1 to 5 including 1, including 5. So this is a prompt. We can perform here several actions. Ampersand S, I am giving a file name. File name is my mail. So currently opened mail, saving with a new file. Whatever the data available, that mail I want to save. Right? Yes, file name you can provide. And you want to forward this one. F and username you can provide. If you are giving F username, you can forward the same mail to whatever the user you want, you can. You want to reply, just a simple R. Reply to currently opened message, immediately reply also you can do. Like this we are having several options. You want to take a printout. For example, ampersand L5. L means line printer, 5 means fifth mail is going to be hard copy. For example, you deleted here, you don't want delete that one, means U5, undelete 5, means fifth message already we deleted, for example here, imagine like that. So you don't want delete that one permanently, U5, but this U5 you need to apply without exit from the terminal or without restart. Once you exit terminal or restart, those modifications unable to. So undelete. So next option also we can see. Reply I said, undelete I said, forward, delete, like this many options available. If you want to come out, P means print out, you can take. Q is nothing but exit from the inbox. So whatever the mails you are reading from primary inbox, it is redirecting to secondary inbox. Right, yesterday one mail I read, or half an hour back one mail I read. Once again I want to read the mail. That time you want to visit secondary inbox by typing mail-f. Mail-f is leading you to secondary inbox. It is a place where all red mails existed. You can, it is displaying same like that, 1, 2, 3, like that number of mails. But here you want to know another point also here. Sometimes it is giving capital N. N means new mail. U represents unread. So mail-f already explained to you very clearly. It is a secondary inbox. So this is about your offline communications. Offline communications alias name is one-way communications. Thank you for watching videos. Catch me for more videos. youtube.com/nareshit.